I've been talking about the West and Africa for quite a bit. But today I have one of my friends here from Jamaica. He said that it's very different in Jamaica than here from the West, and I just wanted to ask him some questions. His name is Ecstasy. Yeah, man. Wagwan, you. Yeah, man. No. Yeah, man. I just wanted to know. Tell me, what is the difference between here in America and out here in Jamaica? First of all, I want to start by and say, I be a bad man out to Jamaica. Yeah, the bad man can't pardon with bomb class street. So I say, because you see, first thing over here, when I notice too much bad man, you can't deal with them. I kind of fuck with it. You see, a girl with life, girl we say, panic only a panic Gaza, they are girl. No batty fucker out there. So I say, because any batty fucker will kill them blood clot. You see. That is the same thing in Africa. You see, this is why I respect you, Jamaicans, so much, because we have the same beliefs. And these American pigs over here, I know they love to eat pussy. So tell me about how they accept that out there in Jamaica. What do you mean by pussy eater? Yo, you're talking about cat them. No man, about cat to get gunshot. That's what I say. When they deal with them, the nastiness there. Africans think that. No, maybe R. Kelly over here to us. The things that R. Kelly they lock up and Ghana jail. But me there, fuck pit there sitting. But no man, no pussy eater can't walk out there. No. About cat to get blood clot shot. So Ecstasy, tell me, what kind of girls do you like to fuck? Because me in Africa, I don't care what kind of girl they are. I just want to know they have a big round ass. That's all I want. That's all I want from these girls, But I kind of rather an African girl, because it made me feel like I'm still connected to my culture, and they know exactly what I want. Like they know I will not eat their pussy because they know to cook food for me. That's the only thing I'll eat. So tell me, kind of girls you like there in Jamaica? No man, I like any kind of girl, here with thing out there the fuck black, white and Chinese. Tell the Japanese and make a jazz of Japanese. So I say, because out of Jamaica we have the Japanese them, the Chinese them, the Blackanese, and even the Whiteanese. So I don't care what kind of needs them be. You see, as long as them a girl and they look good and they ready to take some hard fuck, them is in my life. Can't like my father and squeeze up them breast like a trigger off a gun and finger them clip till the trigger get red. You see me I say, but for them, as something like a girl them man. I don't care, black, white, whatever. We fuck them. That's so we say out the yard. But we like a bigger girl them still enough. Because I don't want girl with too maga more on time and then they can't take no cocky. It's like they get 1 minute and they fly fire like phone like raw fucking cook. You can't take them kind of girl. You see me? Yeah. I know what you're trying to say, but me poof. I get more girls than you do. I can even go to Jamaica right now and I can take you one away from you. Because you see, I got the flow. That is it. You see, I got money. You see, even my coat, right? I'm wearing right here. My coat costs more than your car. More than your car. That's how we do in Africa. We businessmen. See, that's why we're always getting bitches. Why do you think we got 12 wives out there? 12 wives. Can you have 12 wives in Jamaica? No, they will kill your ass. You see what I'm saying? I went contact him to say a while ago. Say, he will take my girl from me. How can I chicken blood then have a drink you? And which part of your code costs more than my car? You see my car land up out the door, this, right? Which have your fucking car there? There's a chat. One bag of fuckery. Where's your car? Where there? Bumblewall, Africa. Yo, don't make me get started enough. When I name dirt over there because I'm not dead for hungry. Next to see. You go low. I cannot stand that disrespect. Do you know who you got here? I know that you are a dancer. And don't think I did not see those pasa videos where they were saying how you guys fuck with visa. You have the white men fuck you in the ass with visa, and that is how you come to America. So you should not be talking and disrespecting that I eat dirt. We eat and we live very comfortably out there here in Africa. Alright? So I do not like the fact that you come and say some shit like that. Alright? You fucking Jamaican. You motherfucker. Yo, look here. Man take off his scarf and choke him with it, yeah? You're a bad man. Don't come start me. Yeah me? First of all, see girl them in Jamaica, I best girl in the world. You don't care about AIDS infected girl them. For all I know you have AIDS right now. Boy you can chat. Come on you. You come like you're dead for hungry you. You don't have nothing over me. Not a single thing. And see if it ever come out to Jamaica, I'll make sure so they'll set up for you. I hang in blood clot and send it back to Africa. You hear me? Bomber clot. In fact, right now you must take a heel sweet time and go back to Africa. That's what.